So welcome guys to today's video. So today we're going to be eating cereal without milk. Every day I've ever wondered whether you can eat cereal without milk or milk runs out, what you're going to eat cereal with. So today we're going to be so firstly I got milk here. But we don't want milk. We want to test all of this stuff. So let's get it. So with milk, it tastes the same. So our second product will be the Clover Classic Vanilla Flavored Custard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some rice cookies here. Yeah. Then I pour a custard on top of it. Who knows how it's going to taste? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah. Must save the environment. I wonder how it's going to taste. I should have brought jelly. So next time guys, if you thumbs up this video and get it to 100k, so I want this video to get 100k likes, I'm going to do another big challenge. It's gonna get what? Popping with OP. Yeah. So this one doesn't need an answer, doesn't require an answer. We already have an answer. This one doesn't require an answer. It's like Ooh. Why are they doing this to us? Why are they doing this to me? Damn, this should have forgotten me. If I knew early guys, I wouldn't have even bought me for the what is it? 18 years? 19 years? Yeah. Like for all my life, I should have bought custard, guys. I should have bought custard for the rest of my life. Now I'm going to stick to custard. No longer going to eat rice cookies with milk. I'm sticking to Clover. If I knew this. So we're done with the first part, so let's get into the second part. So in the second part I got some appetizer here. The red juice sparkling 100%. So let's get into it. First before I pour it. Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let's pour some rice cookies here. Guys, I think my stomach is... I think I have a running time here. Clover. I no longer trust custard. Who knows, guys? Who knows? Who knows how it's going to taste? So let's try it out. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's bad. This thing's not nice. This thing's not. At the first place, I thought it was gonna be nice, but right now. So the last one is the rods, strawberry and banana. I wonder who's going to taste that. Oh my god, I'm not feeling well right now. After this, I'm going to throw up. I'm going to puke. After this video, I'm going to puke. I'm telling you. Oh my god. Get this 200,000 likes. 100,000 subscribers. It's gonna get lit. Give it a thumbs up. I'm doing this for the YouTube. I'm doing this for you guys. It's gonna get lit. If you want me to do any video, just comment down below which one do you want me to do. Let me just taste it first. Let me just taste it. It's nice though. It's nice though. No cap, no cap. If my parents come here and find me doing this video here, they're gonna throw me away. They're gonna chase me away. So guys, give it 200k likes. Even if I'm chased away, but I know that I got 100k likes. Guys. You know what? I'm not going to continue anymore. This stuff is really bad. Custard was better, but this two here, this two right here. Yeah. Please guys, get this video to 100k likes. I keep on emphasizing this, and I'll keep on emphasizing. I'll emphasize this until to the infinity. Oh man, shut up! Get this video to 100k likes. If you didn't watch my last video, click it right now. Smash the like button. Smash it. If you haven't watched my video, go to the previous videos. Go to the previous sections. You'll see my videos. It's gonna get what? Popping with pop. It's gonna what? It's gonna what? Yeah! If you have smashed the like button, you can watch this.